Probably the most rural part of eastern North Carolina, so you probably wouldn't be coming through here unless you do just somehow happen to have family, because you never know where others are from. Beautiful night, isn't it? Beautiful night out here. For like 5 o'clock. But yeah, this is one of the homes that would normally have more lights, unless they just decided to go small this year. And there's the other. So that's two mobile homes. They are related to each other, and they typically would have quite a few lights. Some people are just deciding to go small this year. You know, and some don't do the same thing every year either. So that could be it. My two daughters say, well, my oldest, I'll say my oldest, she says it bothers her when she comes home in the dark, so she tries to never ever come home in the dark. Definitely not having those street lights. I wish we could have street lights, but then these wouldn't be roads, they would be streets, and they're roads, so that wouldn't work. As far as around here in North Carolina anyway, you just don't see that. Yep. Beautiful evening. It's only 5:30 and it's pretty. 2 roads over to my house, so I'll make a right turn, and then from there I'll make another right turn, and then I'll be home. The light here is simply because the church has on their sign light, so that's pretty much what you're gonna get there. Oh, Merry Christmas! I don't know if you all saw that. Merry Christmas. I don't know if I got that, but I like that. That church sign said Merry Christmas, very bright. Okay, there's one house is very brightly lit with candle lights in the windows. I think that's very pretty. If nothing else, you know, candle lights are very pretty. You can do a simple Christmas decor, and I like that house the way they had their candle lights, because that candle light, if you believe in Jesus Christ, and I hope you do, that candle light, you know, that's headed to my house. Okay, now you all get to see me. Woo, I'm getting in from work late. was trying to do a couple of things in addition to what I needed to get done today to like really get ahead. I like to get ahead. This year it's kind of put me in the mood of getting ahead, I guess you can say. And that's not a bad thing, but it is a bad thing when you're working so hard you don't realize how dark it is outside, how late it's gotten and all that. Yep. So I'm home. I'm home. This will go down as Vlogmas 7, by the way. I'm a little bit behind. So this will go down probably as Vlogmas 7. We'll see. We'll just see how my ordering works out. Yep. So I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. This is just a little ride through my town. I can't really call where I live a town, but a ride through Harold's and the next town over, and then on home, just to see that hardly nobody has Christmas lights. So is that the move now? The pandemic, you know, kind of controlling our lives this year. I felt like more would try to at least do a couple of candle lights from the Dollar Tree or something, just so we could try to bring on some cheer or cheerful feeling. But you know, that's not always the case, and everybody does what he or she wants to do in regards to things like that. So never try to push that kind of thing off on anyone. Just do your own thing, whether it's decorating or not, or just calling your loved ones. You know, there are different ways of bringing on cheer in the holidays, you know. So do what you do. All right, y'all, know what I'm about to say, and I haven't said this on a lot of my videos lately, but just remember, when no one else will, be your own cheerleader. Create your own sunshine. I will see you on the next upload, my next Vlogmas. Y'all be good.